Good morning, students. Today's topic is washing soda. Formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 into 10H2. It means sodium carbonate into 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Its chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10, hydrate means water molecule. If it is present in anhydrous form, means without water molecules, means 10 water molecules is not present, then this form is called as anhydrous form. Anhydrous Na2CO3 is called as soda ash. Now, next is manufacture of washing soda. Washing soda is prepared on a large scale by the Solvay process or ammonia soda process. How it is prepared? The main raw materials are brine. Brine means 30% NaCl solution prepared in water, ammonia and CO2. These are the raw materials which are used in the manufacture of washing soda. Point number 1. Both ammonia and CO2 that are passed through the brine solution. Brine solution means NaCl plus water, or sodium chloride solution. Then a mixture of ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate is formed. This sodium hydrogen carbonate is slightly soluble in water and it easily precipitated. It can be separated by filtration method. Now step number 2. On heating strongly, this sodium hydrogen carbonate that is decomposed into sodium carbonate which is in anhydrous state. This is called as soda ash. CO2 and water is released. In step number 3, this anhydrous sodium carbonate that is dissolved in water, the solution is concentrated and upon cooling it gives the hydrated form of sodium carbonate. This hydrated form is called as washing soda. These are the preparation of washing soda. Now next, what are the properties of washing soda? Washing soda is a white crystalline solid. After dissolving in H2O means water, it gives the alkaline solution which turns the red litmus paper into blue because its pH is more than 7. Next property, on strong heating it loses its water molecule, means molecules of water of crystallization, and it changes into anhydrous salt which is a white amorphous powder. This is called as soda ash. But on slow heating it loses only these 9 water molecules. and it will form Na2CO3 into में H2O. Next property, washing soda has the property to remove the dirt or grease from the dirty clothes. So that's why it is also called as washing soda. Washing means use water molecules for wash. It means here 10 water molecules is used in the formula of washing soda. So we can easily learn for washing water molecule is used. So here 10 water molecule is present. Now what are the uses of washing soda? Washing soda is used in making the soaps, washing powders and glass. It is used in refining of petrol, dyes and in paper industry. It is used as an important laboratory reagent. It is used in manufacture of paints. It is also used in softening of hard water. Means it is used for removing the permanent hardness from the water, so the water become soft. It is used as cleansing agent for the domestic purpose. Washing soda is also a constituent of a number of parts of dry soaps. So all these are the uses of washing soda. Thank you, students.